Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can start a dropshipping business with 1688. So basically what I'm going to show you in this video is how you can set up a dropshipping business where you can source product from 1688, import to your Shopify store and sell in US dollar to the international market. So basically what you can find is when you come over to 1688, you can gain access to lots and lots of cheap products. So if you're on this website, you're going to find products that are even cheaper than what we have on AliExpress. So if you are looking for cheaper products than what they have on AliExpress, Alibaba, what you simply need to do is come over to 1688 and you're going to see cheap products. So if you go through the product, you can see that there are lots of cheap products over here. So looking at this product here, this product currently costs around 0.85 Chinese yuan. And if you want to do the conversion, let's quickly go over to Google and check how much this is going to cost you. So this is the Google Chinese yen to USD. So the price of the product is 0.85 Chinese yuan. So I'm going to come over here, then I'm going to enter 0.85 Chinese yuan, and this is how much it's going to cost us in US dollar. So this means you're going to be buying this product for 12 cents from 1688, and when you add this product to your Shopify store, you can sell the product for as high as $10, $15, depending on how sure you are on marketing this product. So basically what you want to do now is to look for a way where you can seamlessly integrate this 1688 website to your Shopify store. So whenever you have an order on your Shopify account, you'll be able to move this product or move this order seamlessly back over to 1688. So what we're going to be doing is to go over to our Shopify store. So if you don't have an account with Shopify already, I'm going to add a link at the description of the video. So just go to the description of the video, click on the link there and set up an account for yourself. So once you've created your Shopify store, what you want to do is to go over to your dashboard and come over to settings here. So I'm going to click on settings. So when I click on settings, I'm going to come over here, then I'm going to click on apps and sales channel here. So I'm going to click on apps and sales channel, then here I'm going to click on Shopify App Store. So when you click on Shopify App Store, it's going to redirect you to the App Store on Shopify, where you can easily look for app that you can use to integrate your Shopify store with 1688. So once your Shopify store is linked together with 1688, so you can easily import product from the Chinese website with a click of a button and add the product to your Shopify store. And whenever you want to fulfill the order, you can also do that with just a click of a button. So what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be searching for Catfind. So here I'm going to come over here, then I'm going to click on Catfind. Okay, so this is it. So in other ways, you could also just search for 1688, and when you search for 1688, it's going to recommend apps that you can use to integrate your Shopify store directly with the website. So but for the sake of this video, we're going to be going with Catfind. So here I'm going to click on Catfind, and I'm going to come over here, then click on install. Now the reason I have open here is because I already have the app installed on my Shopify store already. So in your own case, what you have to do is to come over here, then click on install. So once you click on install, it's going to redirect you to the Catfind dashboard, where you can easily manage the both platform together. So it's going to stand as a bridge between your Shopify store with the 1688 website. So what I'm going to do is head over to my Catfind dashboard. As you can see now, this is the Catfind dashboard here, and this is where we're going to be importing product from 1688 and send it over to our Shopify store. Okay, so what you want to do in your own case now is to come over here, then click on Chrome extension. So when you click on Chrome extension, you want to come over here, then install the Chrome extension. Once you've installed the Chrome extension, what you want to do is copy this key here, then go over to the Chrome extension, then paste the key there so you can log in. So I have the Chrome extension installed on my Chrome already, which is why I have sign out here. But in your own case, what you're going to see here is going to be login. So copy this key here, then paste it, then use it to log in. So once you are logged in, you'll be able to use the Chrome extension to import product from 1688 directly to your Shopify store. So once we've done that, the next thing we want to do is to go over to 1688, then source for cheap product that we can sell for good price on our Shopify store to make enough profit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to 1688, then I'm going to look for any product I'm going to be selling here. So looking at this product here, as you can see, and one of the ways you can know products that is doing well is to look at how much the seller has sold already. So looking at this product, as you can see here, they have over 20,000 pieces sold. And looking at this one, they have over 70,000 pieces sold. And looking at this one, they have over 10,000 pieces sold. So this means people are actually buying this product, and this is a good product that we can actually drop ship on our Shopify store. So what you want to do is just look for the product that you think is doing fine, and once you've seen the product, all you simply need to do is add the product to your Cartifind, and from your Cartifind you now push them to your Shopify store. Then we edit them and make them ready to start selling. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to select this one. Okay, so once I've selected the product, immediately the product details page open, this Cartifind Chrome extension is going to pop up. So as you can see here, it says add to Cartifind. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on add to Cartifind here. Alright, so as you can see, I've just successfully added the product to my Cartify dashboard. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to head over to my Cartifind dashboard. So from there we'll be able to push this product to my Shopify store. So I'm going to head over to Cartifind. So I'm going to click on my product here, so I can just refresh it so I can see the new product I've just added. So now I'm going to click on my product. So when I click on my product, I'm going to see the product I've added. So as you can see, so these are the product I've just imported from 1688. So the first one here says not imported, and the second one not imported. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here, then I'm going to click on this Shopify icon to push this product down to my Shopify store. Now before you push the product down to your Shopify store, if you want to edit the product, what you simply need to do is come over here, then click on edit. So here you'll be able to edit the title of the product, the product description, the GPT template, variant, and images that comes with the product. So what you want to do is just make sure you give this product a new title, remove the Chinese word here, then come over to the description, remove the Chinese text here, then go over to ChatGPT. Tell ChatGPT to create a product description for you, and once you have the product description, what you want to do is you want to paste it here. You could also ask ChatGPT to generate a product title for you, and once you have all of that, all you simply need to do is just enter them at the right places. Then you can also come over to the variants you don't like, you can remove them, and if you like all of them, you can just save each and every one of them. So you could also come to the media aspect, that is the images of the product. If you like the images, you can just save and import all of them. So once you are okay with all of them, all you simply need to do is just click on save and import. So as you can see, it says success, your selected product has been pushed successfully. So now we've just successfully pushed the product from 1688 to our Shopify store. So the next thing you want to do now is to go back to your Shopify store, then come over to product here, then you'll be able to see the product you've just pushed in. So this is the product I just pushed in from 1688. So if you want to re-edit the product, you can also come over here, then edit the product and make it ready to start selling. So once you have the product on your Shopify store, the next thing you have to do now is to find a way at which you can actually start marketing this product and start making good profit on them. So this is basically how you can use 1688 as a dropshipping supplier to source product for your Shopify store and sell cheap product from the website for good profit on your Shopify store. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.